Okay, review na tayo for coming civil service exam and math problems from tuturo ko sa inyo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas. At itong 2 problems po natin ay lumabas daw po nung nakaraang civil service exam or may galing tulad po ng ganito. At ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-analyze at magawa yung sagot na mabilisan. Dahil when it comes to exam, oras po nating kalaban. Okay, so let's solve these 2 problems. In a row of trees, 1, 3 is 4. From either end of the row, how many trees are there in the row? Okay, pagdating po sa math, meron at meron po yang sagot. Huwag po tayong kabahan bagkus i-analyze po natin yung tanong bago po natin sasagutan. Dito, pag nabasa ko pa lang yung problem, alam po na 7 yung sagot. Why? Kasi sabi nga dito, in a row of trees, 1 tree is 4. Pang-apat daw yung isang 3. From either end of the row. So, explain ko, gawa po ako ng illustration. Ayan, for example, ito yung isang row. At pang-apat daw yung isang 3. So, pag pang-apat yan, meaning meron dito 1, 2, 3, 4, pang-apat. At sabi nga, either end of the row. So, meaning meron din diyang 3, 2, 1. Okay, so ito na yung buong isang row. And the question is, how many trees are there? So bilangin lang po natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, the answer is letter D, 7. Okay, number 2 naman tayo. If a wood 27 meters long is to be cut into shorter pieces measuring 90 centimeters each, how many shorter woods will be produced? So, kung i-analyze natin, ilang daw 90 centimeters itong 27 meters? Since centimeters po to at meters to, i-convert po natin itong 27 meters into centimeters. So, 27 meters is equal to 2,700 centimeters. Bakit? Kasi 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, be familiarized dun po sa conversion po natin. At take note tong cent. Pag sinabing cent, ayan, 100 yan. Parang percentage. Percent per 100. Lagi nyo po yung tatandaan. So, nakuha po natin tong 2,700 centimeter, i-divide lang po natin into 90. Okay. So, divide natin into 90. Okay. So, cancel natin itong isang 0. 270 divided by 9 is equal to 30. So, 30 centimeters ang makakat dito sa 27 meters long. The answer is letter B. Pagdating po sa math, i-analyze po natin yung problem at masasabi po natin na madali lang pala ito. I hope you got